sa inyo. 4:27. Going to Victoria.
He is doing his travel picture.
Is it tunnel? Okay guys, so we're here at the terminal, the ferry terminal. We're just gonna check out this shop right here. Okay, so we're getting in. This is the second level. And meron pa sa baba for other cars and big trucks. Yeah.
Yeah, that's for the walk down messages.
Okay, 2 hours.
This is pretty nice. So we're getting off that side, right?
Yeah.
This place is cool. Okay guys, so we have reached the top. Super may tinan mo kung kaalo no, sa ilalim. There's a viewing deck. Here's Titanic. Oh my freaking gently. Here are the two guys. And it's full of teenagers here. That's about it. See you later.
Walang ko kayo.
Follow me at Paul_GO. Yun lang. Ito yung view sa labas. Wala nang tao. May newly stickered cube. See you later, guys. Getting off the Roro. May space pala dito. Wow. Nice. Oh, is it the same ferry? Oh. Mga nakapila for Okay, welcome to British Columbia Aviation Museum. They are open now. It's just 11 a.m.
But the Silver Dart was an American machine. It was designed and built in the States and flown in the States,
First
and it came
ever
to Canada. This is the very
Canadian
first aircraft that was designed and built and flown
In Canada.
100% in Canada. It was done in 1910, so 102 years ago, just down the road in Victoria. And the builder was a W.W. Gibson, a hardware merchant from Regina, Saskatchewan. And incredibly enough, he sat right in that white bucket seat right there. Right at,
Oh, that-
right there. Yes, just right ahead of the top. And he had no aerodynamic training, but he wanted to fly. So he decided he was going to build his own airplane. But first he had to build his own motor. That's the very first all-Canadian motor that was ever built, the first aero engine that was ever built.
Here's a warplane way back 1900s, 19 something, during the World War.
When the Pacific War broke out, this base here at Pat Bay became extremely important It was actually the third largest airfield in Canada.
Here's the engine.
World War II.
The flaps.
No, I don't think this is
Nope.
going to work.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, there it goes. See?
the
Now
flaps.
this is the flap indicator right here. So you pump in as much flap as you need by the indicator,
Mas magaling ang piloto nun.
and that's how you retract the gear,
Mas
the
magaling ang
flap.
piloto nun.
These are your rudder pedals.
Pedals.
So
For the tail.
when you want to steer, you press one or the other, and that points the nose on the aircraft. You press with your feet. When you land, you kick this lever, and that unlocks them, so that when you hit the tips, they actually actuate the brakes. So you can hit both brakes, or one or the other. That's how toe brakes work on an airplane. And with the brake set, you can set the park brake, which would be on your dash.
Do they use the mechanism of that until now?
Do they use it now?
Yeah.
Some aircraft will still use toe brakes, but not so much. Yeah. And the reason why is, see right here, this is what's called a tail dragger, meaning that its tail sits.
So we're currently here at Richard's Garden. So ito. Nandito tayo sa tinatawag nilang sunken garden kasi yung level, nag-sink daw to eh. Ewan ko kung sinkhole or something. Basta nag-sink. Yun yung ground level sa taas. Kasi yan pa yung ground level oh. Yun lang yung natira.
Yung tubig doon malamang fresh yun dahil galing sa puno.
Ayun, nag-sink daw ito. On the late something. Alright guys, so we just had our lunch. So it's 3 p.m. now. Dito na kami sa isang mall. Nag-share lang si Mami. Then we're gonna go to... Sablay mo lang kami muna. Underground Garden. And
Empress Hotel muna.
Empress Hotel
And then
Miniature Museum. So, goodbye! Alright guys, so we're inside the miniature world. And this is the first part. We're inside the kind of like space. So, kung siya pakita mo yung sapatos mo, it's color red, it's supposed to be white. And look at my shoes also. The white lace turns, yeah, it's pretty much the common thing. But it turns red. And my Rubik's Cube also glows. It's kind of, yeah. This one's supposed to be white, it turns blue. This one's supposed to be yellow, it turned green. This one, orange. Yeah, that's the fluorescent stickers from Cube Smith that actually glows. Alright, go. Oh, these are the things. Yeah, we're in the miniature world, so you can see this. Tao ba yun? Yeah, there's some people right here. Okay, so we're gonna be taking our time now. Bye. And see this. May gumagalaw? Oh, Brock! This is so awesome! Oh, ang bilis! Oh, may cable car dun!
Ganda na ito puro castle.
Oh my god! Look at this castle. It's standing on top of the actual mountain or cliff or something, limestone. And then sa ilalim may tunnel.
Oo nga no.
Okay, so ito, nakita namin Santa's workshop. Teka, mamaya na yan. Yan ang workshop ng mga Santa Claus ninyo. Yan yung sleigh. And familiar with the movie Gulliver's Travel in Lilliput. Written by Jonathan Swift in 1670. Okay, so ito yun. Yung sinapelikula nila. Yan si Gulliver. Tapos bigla nagbukas yung mata, no? Oh, Jack and the Beanstalk!
Ano yung gumalaw?
Ito yung may yung may pala sa taas. One of my... Ito yung mga unang natutunan kong ito yung unang natutunan kong story. Narinig kong story actually. Gusto yung puputulin yan. Ano nga story yan siya? Akitin niya yan eh. Mamaka natin siya. Nice. Ito dahil yung city scene noong dati dito sa Vancouver, sa Canada. Yan. Ayun, may Chinatown din pala noon. Yan. Tapos, tabi ka dyan. Tapos meron ding spot daw dati na
Eskwelahan
ganyan.
yun, oh.
Park.
Eskwelahan yun.
Yeah, may circus. Mga performers sa loob.
Is it?
Ito nagsimula ang
Enchanted Kingdom.
Disneyland and Six Flags.
Enchanted Kingdom.
Tapos na?
Exit.
Oh.
Exit.
Okay, so tapos na yung tour. Magsusulat lang pala dito. I'm just gonna write our name. Ito ko na sa inyo. 427.
Hi, Coco. Coco. Wow. Wowie Zowie. Awesome. Ang ikli lang nito.
Okay guys, so we took a 10-hour flight and nandito na kami sa England. We're in England. We're in England, baby. It's an exhausting flight. Yeah, we're in England. We're in England. Yeah, we're in England. We're in England. Just kidding. We're still in Vancouver, in Victoria, BC, the capital of Vancouver. And ganito talaga dito. Puro parang kala mo nasa Britain ka. Alright, bye.
30 minutes.
What?
30 minutes.
Okay.
See you in front of the empire.
Okay. Okay, we're going down. So, okay, we're going down. Hindi naman kung magaan yung pressure mo sa tenga.
Yeah, I know.
Ito, may tubig na dito, somewhere there.
Saan?
Ito. Oh my freak. Oh my god! Nung gano'n nga yung tenga ko. We're underwater. Oh. Gumagalaw. Actually, gumagalaw, no?
Yung...
Ito, yung dinadaanan natin.
Oh!
Oh! Oh my freaking god. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
25 minutes. Diba? Sabi niyo po. 16 minutes ba daw?
We fed. So the largest family of fish that we have in the aquariums are what are known as rockfish, which are easily identified by the pointy
from tentacle tip to tentacle tip. But the octopus is not the malevolent nightmare monster myth has made him, but rather a shy, intelligent creature, and the master of his world.
The octopi's 8 arms.
Okay guys, we're in England again. No, just kidding. Ito yung parang Manila City Hall. Alright. So, sa tourist style na naman kami. Diba? Parang kala mo sa ibang bansa ka, diba? I mean, nasa ibang bansa talaga ako, pero I mean, sa ibang bansa na hindi sa Canada. Let's go. Hanapin natin sila mami. They'd probably call in a minute or so. Okay. Hey guys, it's 6:15 and we're gonna eat there. Newly opened Max Restaurant. Tawid lang kami doon sa kalsada doon. Punong-puno kasi bagong bukas. Last week lang yata nagbukas something. Ayan, lahat ng tao dyan namimiss yung Max. Pero ako, kakakain ko lang ng Max sa Pilipinas.
Gumanyang ka.
Alright guys, kakatas na namin mag-Max. Sobrang busog. Doon yung Max sa banda doon. Doon kami sa bus station. Kalimutan ko nga eh. Sarap ng pagkain eh. So it's now 8:45 p.m. Eh, ganyan. Umayos ka! Guys. Guys, yun naman sa ocean.